What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Hey, I'm doing the intro quick, cause I gotta tell y'all the backstory. Y'all can see by the thumbnail. Yes, man. Bought wifey. I bought wifey one of her dream cars, man. And I went about it a different way this time. So I might give y'all the backstory after this all said and done, cause it is a surprise. But y'all gotta see how I did it. She knew I bought it, but then I made up something as if the money was sent back and I didn't get the car. So it's gonna be a surprise. But she put it on now. So she gonna be gone tomorrow. She ain't gonna know. So y'all see it. This the day before. Coming tomorrow, and then we're gonna get a reaction, man. But I've been wanting to do this in this time, man. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So look, it's the next day. I still got everything rolling. Everything going to plan. So let me give y'all the backstory. So, found this car. A good buddy of mine. He like family to me, man. He selling. He posted for sale. I saw it last week. Clean Fox body. Nice, man. Nice. My wifey like all of them. She like 4 eyes, hatch, coupe. She don't even care about the engine, man. She like the 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, V8. But my thing was to get her a V8, man. It had to be the perfect one. I've been looking for about 4 months. I just been looking. And I done found some nice ones, but she didn't know I was looking. I go on when she sleep and I just look for one, start searching. But found some with a little too hot of motors in them. But this one was perfect. So I showed it to her last week and she was like, of course she liked it. She was like, man, it real nice and stuff. I like it and all that. She like, I just wish it was automatic. So I kind of took back. But she can drive either way. She can drive them. She knows the stick shift or automatic. But then, it popped back up. Again, I thought the car would be sold, man. Because it's nice. It's nice. And popped back up. I said, look at it. Popped back up again. My family, he posted again. I said, popped back up again, man. She like, it's nice, man. I like, what you think? You like it? You want it? She's like, yeah. So I did. I bought it in for I bought it. I called him. I bought it. She knows she had it. So then I thought about it. I said, I'm going to make this a wow factor. I'm going to buy it in front of her, and then I'm going to tell her something happened. So I fabricated a story. And basically said that my money, my family had to send my money back, decided they don't want to sell and all that. So she believed it, man. She was disappointed. I don't like seeing my wife disappointed, man. It's hard doing it. Wife, you see the video, I'm sorry, man. I done told her I don't like seeing her disappointed, man. It's hard doing it, but it's gonna be for the best. So she was disappointed. I heard in her voice and stuff, man. So I was like, when you finna get your dream car, then it's like, oh, I ain't got it. It snatched them from under you. It hit you. So carry on talking throughout the day. Yeah, we'll get another one call. I'm trying to make this thing more realistic. We're going to get you one this weekend. So we've been on Marketplace. She been on Marketplace searching and stuff. So we had one that I'm supposedly going to buy. And she thought she was going to get it. So I fabricated another story. That one didn't fall through either today. I fabricated that today. So she out, her and my in-laws and the kid, man, they out at a little nephew karate match. So they gone. I said, perfect time. It been raining and stuff. So I got the car getting dropped off at Lawless. So I'm finna shoot over there, meet my fam. And then me and wife are gonna head out just regular day. And I'm gonna make a surprise stop. And she gonna see she got the car. Cause right now she in the blind. She think ain't nothing falling through. I hate she disappointed. She think ain't nothing falling through and all that. But she gonna be in for a surprise and see that the original Mustang that she looked at is hers. So That's what we about to do, man. We about to go over here. I'm about to meet up with him. And y'all gonna see the car when she see the car. So, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, this is fake video.
Really? Really? That camera's still on.
So look, ain't had no weight. I did time lapse through her talking. That is gonna be one of her videos, but I told y'all the backstory and everything.
Yes.
So y'all seeing her reaction, and she see her car right here, one of her dream cars.
Yes, y'all don't understand how bad.
One of her dream cars.
That's one of my dream cars, y'all. This is one of the cars that I've always liked since I was little, for real.
Man, right here.
Yes. I got a Monte Carlo. Now I got this, the Fox body.
I told y'all, man. I said, man, she deserve it. I got her dream car before I got mine, man. I want to make sure she's straight. So we're gonna jump on the outside. Yeah, see, she just seeing her dream car.
Yeah.
Just surprised her.
Yeah, y'all don't know how bad I've been.
I done told so many stories. So many fake stories hiding this.
Yeah, and I've been up there thinking.
She done got down, and I done had to see her.
I was like, I understand. I was like, I know people, you know, like.
I done had to see her, like, just, it's unlocked.
Oh.
So, yeah, man.
Fox body.
She got it. She got her Fox body, finally. One of her dream cars. One of her dream cars, man.
Well, let me get back on these gears.
Yeah. All right, man. So y'all seeing it? This her new ride, man. Fox body vert, 70-some thousand original miles, all original. Top work. The kid about to love it. She got a sound system in there already. And then it ain't 100% perfect, but it's 85%. So it leave her something where she can put her little touch, like it little stuff. Like we gotta have this seat covered, bottom, so she probably had the seat recovered. Little stuff like that, tighten that up. You know, a little knick-knack stuff, but the car runs great. She finna fire this snag up. Give it a good wash. Shout out to my fam Sam, man. Hustle Hard Sam. Coming through. Bringing it and delivering it. It's the smaller key. Not no circle, not no round. It's not no round with the smallest key. Yeah, show how to work it. Sweet right there. Oh, push it in, push it up. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Look at it. First start up, so let y'all hear this thing. Pretty clutch in. Oh boy. She can't even crank her own cord, y'all. All the way to the floor.
Yes, maybe I need to scoop the seat up.
Yeah, you gotta press it down. Gotta press it way down.
Still can't get it.
You pressing the right pedal.
Yeah.
You sure you pressing the right pedal?
Huh?
You pressing the right pedal?
Yeah, cut gas. Yeah, you got the clutch.
All right, well, press it down.
The brake.
Look at her, y'all. She can't even.
Probably on the right.
Told you, man. See, boy, she rolling on, boy. Tell you. Why? I bet the car cut off on him.
I can't remember. Hold on. Let me.
I bet the car gonna cut off on him right there. Oh, she got that tent. I ain't even noticed she got that tent. She really be mauled out, boy. Her little fault body. Let's see if she wanna drive it home, man. Cause she ain't, I just brought the trailer as a distraction. Go down the street in the cul-de-sac, turn around. Go turn around, go down there in the cul-de-sac. Look at her, she gonna drive this at home. Hey man, I'm happy for her, man. I'm happy she got a dream car, man. Look, she happy as hell. She happy as on the way. Look at her. Fought body ride. Man, I'm so happy for wifey, man. Like I said, man, I made sure she's straight before I'm straight. That's how you supposed to do, man. I'm glad she got her dream car. It's something that made my day. It's been a long day, cause boys, it took forever to come. Took forever to come back, but we got it here, man, cause rain might come through. Look, she teasing, but she can't wait. She can't wait, man. So I'm happier than her. See, I try to make sure wifey good, man. Well, we redid a Monte Carlo engine. Now we got a fought body. She good, man. All I got to do is get a 96 Impala. That's her last dream, cause she gonna be straight. Listen to her. Thing sound good. Wife in that fought body, she nasty. She nasty. Look at her, she nasty. Look at that, boy. I'm so happy, man. My wife got her dream car. I'm so happy. Make sure she's straight before I'm straight. Look at her. She been coming the wrong driveway. Look at her, riding. Yeah. Yeah. A real one in here again. She riding. Woo. Fought body riding. Look at her. She big gangster. Look at you. Get out. Get out, take a picture beside it. Leave it running. Leave that nag running. Look at her. She got that fought body. Yeah. Close the door. Look, you don't want to close the door. Close the door, man. Yeah, get that thumbnail. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Alright. We're going to turn up that. I'm going to drop the top. Gonna take my mother-in-law for a ride. After she done went 100 miles per hour down the road. She'll already said, "Pete, me, I want to go to school in it."
That looks like an airplane.
It's like an airplane?
Yeah.
Oh Lord. You want her to pick you up from school too, don't you? Huh?
Well,
oh, you don't want to ride in the vert?
Yes, she does. Yes, she does.
Who, mine? You enrolled in mine.
No, you gotta ride in that one. It's because the breeze is gonna be like hitting your hair. Your hair's gonna be sticking up like Albert Einstein.
Oh. All right, y'all. See it? Got wife new ride at the house. Made it. She was flying up the highway again. And yeah, man, I'm just glad she got her dream car and all of that, man. So we got the car cover off of Grandma Nana on it right now since it's a vert. I don't know how the seals is and all that. We ain't got a chance to just really look over everything. And it's just a little small stuff it need, man. The typical stuff your car of this year will need, man, like window switch. You know, one of the window switches. And I got to tell you, the window switches in Grandma Nana, man, the one over there, it finally broke, man. It was the button over here on this side broke. So, you know, that's the master switch. And I've been had it. I just got to pop the door panel off, go ahead and switch it out. So I'll probably do it this week. Probably go to parts store, get the little knick-knack stuff this car need. Like I said, replace the window switches, probably new door locks, and you know, the typical stuff, man, like that. But mechanically, and the battery, it need a good battery, man. I looked at the stick on the battery. It could use a battery, cause it was just sitting, it would just crunk up and all that. But it's an original car. It's an original car. I think 70, 80. It ain't 100,000 miles on the car. AC, heat work, all that. Got a system in it. Nice system in it too. But it's a nice car, man. It's a good running car. Like I said, it just little knickknacks and stuff it need, man. It don't need nothing major. Throw some paint on it. Re-upholster the seats. And the door panel, it needs screws, need to be tightened, you know, go on the inside, tighten the handle back and all of that, man. It's just a little TLC. That's what I really call TLC, man, not mechanical stuff. That's TLC. It need that little stuff. So, you know, man, probably then, you know, do new rotors and calipers and all that, make it look pretty. Probably put a $2,000-$3,000 in it. Be ready to roll, man. About a couple thousand. It'll be ready to roll, man. So I'm just glad she got it. Glad to be able to do stuff like this, man, for, you know, people you care about, people that has your back and stuff, man. Like I said, I try to make sure people, the one close to me, straight before myself. Now I got all these cars and stuff, but I look at them like tools, man. Ain't none of them really just sentimental to me except Meech, man. But, you know, I'm glad that was my goal to get one of her dream cars at least this year. At least one of them. So, there it is, man. We got it. Got her dream car. She happy. She like a little kid, man. She happy. So, yeah, man, that's what it is, y'all. I'm glad to share this moment with y'all. All of that. More to come, man. And that I know y'all probably wondering when you gonna get your Grand National, Jay, man. It's just one of them things where it's my real dream car, and it's like I want to get it last. I want to say the best for last. I still want a T-top Regal, and I still want a 73 Vert Dump, and then the Grand National. So I don't know what order I'm gonna buy them in, but then the Grand National, my top car. So then me and wifey together, we're gonna do a classic, but a car both of us always like is 63 and 64 Impala, so that'll be one we get, and it'll be a true restoration project off the frame and all of that. So that'll be coming. That'll definitely be the very last, because that's gonna be one that, you know, everything will be touched, every new bolt, all that stuff. Cause it'll be a 60s model, so that right there will definitely be last, man. But yeah, I got stuff coming. We're gonna get a couple of these things painted. Probably Grandma Nana and Emma. Go ahead and get them painted. And Emma gotta get the car loads. Yeah, gotta do the car loads on it. Transmission be going in this week. What else? Yeah, transmission be going in this week, so we'll be retesting it for data purposes, and then we'll reveal what it do to y'all, and then we're gonna put the shocks on there and all that. But it's a lot of stuff cooking, man. A lot of stuff cooking. On my side, all I'm on the Meech right now. I'm waiting on Meech. The exhaust, dry shell back, it going in, and the exhaust, man, that's it. The exhaust and dry shell, they're literally all I need. That joke will be on kill, ready to roll. Let it eat. I'm gonna get the whole bone. Boom. So yeah, man, that's it. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.